Hello, everyone, and a big, energetic welcome back to Life English Pro. I am your host, Sarah, and I am so pumped for today's session.
And I'm Leo. We are absolutely thrilled to have you join us. Today, we're tackling a topic that literally makes the world go round: banking.
That's right, Leo. They say money talks, but if you don't know the right English words, your money might just stay silent in your pocket. Learning English is most effective when you apply it to real-world scenarios. Let's be honest, bank visits can feel like a bit of a headache, but we're going to make it a piece of cake for you.
Precisely. No more sweating at the teller's desk. Here is the game plan for today. We're doing a massive, high-energy role play. Sarah will be the customer on a mission to open a new account. And I'm going to be everyone else. I'll be the security guard, the officer, and the big boss manager. Call me the king of characters today.
I can't wait to hear your manager voice, Leo. It's going to be a fun and educational journey. We're going to break the ice with how to approach bank staff without feeling nervous, the must-know vocabulary for those long application forms, the real difference between savings, current, and professional accounts, and cool modern features like mobile banking and multi-currency cards. Are you ready to step into the bank and show them what you've got, Sarah?
I'm more than ready. Let's get this show on the road. Let's start the role play. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Global Trust Bank. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. I'm here because I would like to open a new bank account. Could you please tell me where I should go?
Certainly. You'll need to speak with the customer service representative at the new accounts desk. It's the third counter on your left. However, before you proceed, could you please sign our visitor's logbook here?
Of course. Sound of writing. There you go. Do I need to take a ticket or a token for my turn?
Yes, please. Use the kiosk right behind me. Select Personal Banking and then Account Opening. It will issue a queue number for you.
Thank you for the directions. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome, ma'am. Please have a seat in the waiting area until your number is called. Let's pause there for a second. Sarah, you used a very polite phrase. Could you please tell me where I should go? This is much better than saying, "Where is the counter?"
Exactly, Leo. In a professional environment like a bank, using indirect questions makes you sound more educated and respectful. Also, notice the term visitor's logbook. This is a record of everyone entering the building.
And the kiosk. That's the small machine or touchscreen stand that gives you your queue number or token. It's important to look for these machines as soon as you enter a modern bank.
Now let's move forward. My number has been called.
Good morning. I see you have token number 45. Please have a seat. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Thank you. I am interested in opening a new bank account here. I've heard good things about your services, but I'm not sure which type of account would suit me best.
We would be happy to have you as a client. To give you the best recommendation, could you tell me a little bit about your requirements? Are you looking for a personal savings account or is this for business purposes?
Well, it's a bit of both. I am a freelancer, so I receive payments from various clients, but I also want to use the account for my personal daily expenses and to save some money for the future.
I see. Based on that, I would recommend our Elite Professional Savings Account. It's designed specifically for independent professionals. It offers a competitive interest rate and has very low transaction fees for incoming international transfers.
That sounds perfect. What are the primary requirements or documents I need to provide to get started?
For this specific account, we require your original government-issued ID or passport, 2 recent passport-size photographs, proof of your residential address, such as a recent utility bill or a lease agreement, And since you are a freelancer, a copy of your tax registration or a few recent invoices to verify your source of income.
I have brought my passport and photos. I don't have a utility bill in my name because I live in a rented apartment, but I do have my notarized rental agreement. Will that be sufficient?
Yes, a notarized rental agreement is perfectly acceptable as proof of address.
That's a relief. And what about the initial deposit? Is there a minimum amount I need to pay today?
Yes, for the Elite account, the minimum initial deposit is $250. This amount will be credited to your account immediately once it's opened. We just covered a lot of ground. Freelancer is a very common term now. It refers to someone who is self-employed. But did you hear the term notarized?
Yes, notarized means that a legal authority has verified that the document is authentic. It's a very important word when dealing with legal or banking papers.
Also, initial deposit. This is the first sum of money you put into your account. Many people get confused and think it's a fee, but it's actually your own money that stays in your account.
And source of income, the bank always wants to know where your money is coming from to prevent illegal activities. It's a standard procedure. This form is quite detailed. I'm looking at the section for electronic banking services. What exactly does full transactional access mean?
Great question. Full transactional access means you can use our mobile app to not only check your balance, but also pay bills, transfer money to other banks, and even manage your investments. Some people prefer view-only access for security, but most freelancers prefer the full access.
I definitely need full access. What about the beneficiary section? Who should I list there?
A beneficiary, also known as a nominee, is the person you designate to receive the funds in your account in the event of your passing. Most clients list a spouse, parent, or sibling.
Understood. I will list my sister. Now, regarding the debit card, are there different types?
We offer a standard debit card and a platinum one. The platinum card has a higher daily withdrawal limit at ATMs and offers complimentary lounge access at various airports. However, it carries a small annual maintenance fee.
I think the standard card is enough for me for now. Is there a checkbook facility included?
Yes, the first checkbook of 25 leaves is free. Any additional checkbooks requested later will incur a small charge.
Okay, one last thing. I often travel for work. Do you offer currency exchange at a discounted rate for account holders?
Absolutely. As an account holder, you get preferred rates on all major currencies. You can even manage multiple currencies through your online portal.
Beneficiary and nominee. These are heavy words, but very simple in meaning. It's all about security and inheritance.
And incur a charge. This is a formal way of saying you will have to pay. Instead of saying you have to pay for the checkbook, the officer said it will incur a charge. Also, lounge access. This is a great perk for frequent travelers. It's important to ask about the perks or benefits of your account. Good afternoon, Miss Sarah. My name is Mr. Harrison, the branch manager. My colleague tells me you're opening a professional savings account.
Good afternoon, Mr. Harrison. Yes, that is correct.
Excellent choice. I've reviewed your documentation and everything seems to be in order. I just have a few routine questions for our compliance check. How often do you expect to receive international wires?
Probably twice a month. My clients are based in the UK and Singapore.
I see. In that case, I will provide you with our SWIFT code and IBAN details. You will need to provide these to your clients so they can transfer money directly into your new account without any delays.
That would be very helpful. How long will it take for the account to be fully operational?
Since we have verified your identity and address today, your account number will be generated this evening. You will receive a welcome pack via courier within 3 to 5 business days. It will contain your debit card, your checkbook, and your internet banking credentials.
Will I need to come back to the branch to activate the card?
No, you can activate it through our mobile app or by calling our 24-hour helpline. We try to make the process as seamless as possible.
That's very convenient. Thank you for your time, Mr. Harrison.
It's my pleasure. Welcome to Global Trust Bank. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship. The manager mentioned SWIFT code and IBAN. These are international banking codes used for sending money across borders. If you work online, you must memorize these.
And operational. This simply means the account is ready to use. Seamless is a beautiful word, meaning smooth or without any problems.
Don't forget credentials. In banking, your credentials are your username, passwords, and PIN codes. Never share these with anyone.
Hello. Please hand me your deposit slip and the cash.
Here is the slip for $300, and here is the cash.
$100, $200, $300. Perfect. Please sign at the bottom of the acknowledgement receipt.
Done. Can I also get a deposit receipt for my records?
Certainly. Here is your stamped copy. Your account balance will reflect this deposit within the next hour.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Next in line, please.
Phew, that was quite a journey. From the entrance to the manager's office, we covered everything.
You did great, Sarah. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when speaking English at the bank.
Mistake number 1, saying, I want to take my money.
While it's not grammatically wrong, the professional term is, I would like to make a withdrawal.
And instead of saying, I want to put money, you should say, I would like to make a deposit.
Another big one is the word check. In the US, it's spelled CHECK. In the UK and many other countries, it's CHEQUE. Both are pronounced the same, so don't get confused.
Let's talk about balance. Don't ask, how much money I have. It sounds a bit informal. Instead, ask, could you please tell me my current account balance?
Etiquette is also very important. Banks are formal places. Using words like pardon me, may I, and thank you for your assistance goes a long way.
Now it's your turn. We want you to practice. Imagine you have forgotten your ATM PIN code. You need to call the bank and ask for a new one.
How would you say that in English? Here are some key words to help you. Reset, forgotten, PIN, and assistance.
Write your sentences in the comments below, and we will try to correct them for you. This is the best way to improve your English.
We hope you found this deep dive into banking English helpful. Remember, the key to fluency is confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to Life English Pro.
In our next episode, we will be visiting a doctor's clinic to learn medical English. You won't want to miss that.
Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.
Keep learning, keep speaking.
Goodbye, everyone.